Hello, guys. So, yeah, this guy was mid running, I believe. This was also a ballet dancer, but he was in a very very powerful, strong position, and I wanted to try and actually capture it because I felt as if it was quite a difficult or more advanced um, drawing for me to try and capture. I do hope that I did try and get it as close to it as possible. It was quite difficult because, as I said, he was mid pose, so it was like slightly, his back was slightly turned, but his legs were also uh, like mid run. So there are aspects of each sketch that I do think that I did capture. It's just maybe not all in one. So initially, I would have been quite demoralized or basically beat myself up at the fact that I didn't produce it within one sketch. I'm trying to get away from that now and just trying to be happy that I'm actually gaining more confidence and skills within this topic, which is the human body. And yeah, so basically, my learning method is 1, 2, and 3 sketches within. This is an A3 pad, so it's separated into 3 sketches per section. This was slightly bigger purely because I wanted to try and get most of it. You'll see previously I did contain it to the three sections, but I'm getting more experience and more skills, so I'm trying to capture things a little bit more, which I might need to make it smaller or that type of thing. So good speed, less lines, less pressure on the pencil, which that is an ongoing issue for myself, is to not push the pencil or make the pencil lines as hard or as dark, because at the end of the day this is a sketch for the end drawing, painting, charcoal, whatever. The less amount of lines that you can actually see, the better. So geometric and gestural. Ran out of room for actually all 3. I wasn't able to finish it down here, but yeah, I do believe that I'm actually gaining more confidence and more effectiveness. Please let me know what you think, and also if you utilize any of these methods, and also approaching and drawing bodies as well. It's definitely enjoyable, and it's definitely pushes you out your comfort zone anyway. Well, it does with me, so that is one aspect that I didn't think that I would like, is getting pushed out my comfort zone, but I do actually like it now. So yeah, let me know what you think, also what you're doing, and thank you so much to all the subscribers so far. I truly appreciate it. See you later, guys. Bye.